Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm sharing my recipe for the most delicious chickpeas in the world, served with a fresh salad made of kale, shredded carrot, tomato, avocado, and a drizzle of olive oil. This lunch isn't just tasty, it's packed with plant-based protein, fiber, healthy fats, and tons of nutrients. This is Nutri-Intelligence. Let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to soak our chickpeas. I'm using half a bag, about 250 grams, around 9 ounces. Place them in a bowl, cover with water, and let them soak overnight. This helps activate the chickpeas, reduce anti-nutrients, and makes cooking much faster. After 8 to 12 hours, you'll see they've doubled in size. Rinse them well. Then place them in a pot with cold water. Cook for about 30 minutes. No salt or seasonings yet, otherwise they'll stay hard. Did you know chickpeas are loaded with high-quality plant protein? They improve digestion thanks to their fiber, give you sustained energy throughout the day, and help you feel full for longer. Their flavor is amazing, and they work in stews, salads, hummus, purees, and soups. They're also rich in vitamin B9, folic acid, great for pregnancy and preventing anemia. Vitamin B1, thiamine, supports energy, focus, and memory. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine, helps with metabolism and mood regulation. Chickpeas even have natural vitamin E, D-alpha-tocopherol, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells and helps prevent heart disease. And vitamin K, it helps blood clot properly, speeds up wound healing, and improves calcium absorption in your bones. Now that we know all that, it's clear it's worth adding chickpeas to our diet. It's always better to cook them at home instead of buying canned ones, which often have too much sodium and lose nutrients during industrial processing. Fresh is best. Once the chickpeas have been cooking for 30 minutes, taste one. If it's soft, we can start with a simple flavor boost. Chop 2 garlic cloves. In a pan, add coconut oil or your favorite natural oil. Coconut oil is great because it can handle high heat without losing its properties. Sauté the garlic until golden. It adds amazing flavor to the chickpeas. Garlic cooks super fast, so just give it a quick stir and remove it. Add the golden garlic and a tablespoon of pink salt to the pot. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes so the chickpeas soak up all that flavor. Now, I've got some organic Swiss chard here. Always choose pesticide-free veggies when possible, and chop about 7 leaves. Add them to the pot once the chickpeas are nice and soft. Check the salt, adjust if needed, then turn off the heat. The chard will cook with the residual heat from the pot. For our fresh salad, I'm using 2 carrots, 2 tomatoes, and kale. Wash everything well. Slice the tomatoes and add them to a bowl. Next, the kale, a leafy green packed with magnesium and antioxidants. Thanks to that deep green color. Massage the leaves with your hands to make them softer and easier to eat. Then chop them up. Peel and grate the carrots. Raw is best so you get all the nutrients. We can't forget healthy fats, like avocado. Dice it up, then drizzle with olive oil. In a small bowl, mix the olive oil, lemon juice, great for activating legumes, and pink salt. This salad is super powerful and tastes amazing. Everyone at home loves this combo. Serve it up and that's it. Friends, our healthy lunch is ready. An easy, practical recipe for the best chickpeas in the world. You'll love this combo. It's simple, flavorful, and one of my all-time favorites. Even people in my house who didn't like chickpeas before are now fans after trying this. So make it at home and surprise your family. Perfect for eating healthy, mindfully, and feeling lighter than when you eat meat. This is Nutri-Intelligence, and remember, your immune system is your best defense. The change starts on your plate. See you next time.